Hello everyone, I'm Katie. So for today, I will explain to you what did I do for GenAI Intensive 2025 Capstone. So my title is GenAI for Little Learners, where I use generative AI to create custom storybooks for children. This idea was inspired because my mom ran a kindergarten named Little Abqari. So in this notebook, I will show you later what did I use in my Gen AI? Basically, we have a few types of Gen capabilities that I use. Grounding, story generation, image generation, Gen AI evaluation, and LangGraph engine. I usually help my mom whenever I have free time and I come back to my semester break. So we also have books for Cepat Baca Read Monster, which is a book that teach you how to learn ABC for Malay and English. That's why I'm thinking, oh, why not I would use this opportunity to create custom storybook using generative AI. Also for the LangGraph, I use it to create chatbot. I call it as Little Reader Chatbot. Okay, let's go. Moving on. So basically, you have to download everything and import the SDK, set your API key, and then automated retry. So basically, here I put the model that I will use, which is for the prompt generation Gemini to Flash, and the image generation Flash XP image generation, so you can find it in here. And then you might have to reset factory reset again here if you cannot find the second for image generations, because sometimes it's not showing. Okay, next, and search grounded with tools. So basically here, when you prompt, and then it will give this output, and then it might be changed. It depends on how many times you prompt or how many times you run the code. We also have the generate short story by prompt. So we have here is the zero short, and then it create a story, which is I also ask the AI to create the title. So it gives us the title based on the generated story, which is Benny's Big Hope, a woodland adventure. So I asked it to create a short story within 100 words only. So this is the output. And then we have the few shot prompt where I use to create a theme and story with a few example. And then I also leave a blank space. So when we run the code, it will give the story for the family and the courage theme. Create image based on the generated story. So we have for the zero shot prompt. As you can see here, I print the title, the story, and the image. And then we also have for the theme generated story. So they don't have the title, so it's gonna have the theme and the story. So pretty, right? Okay, next, moving on the Gen AI evaluation. So basically here, I asked the generative AI to evaluate my story. So as you can see, I called generated story function and then evaluate basically based on the age appropriateness, vocabulary length, themes, details, maybe some potential improvements, overall score, and then justification why they did the evaluation. So next, come to the best part, which is welcome to Little Reader Chatbot. So here you can see I instruct the LangGraph agent. So we have the story state, and then here I ask how the little reader bot should behave, and then we have the function for the chatbot, human node, and then some logical function, and then we have the tools, and then moving on to the configuration, and then this is the output. Maybe I'll show you the output, but we can try another output. Let's just copy this and try. Let's just rerun this. Okay, let's go. So, what do you guys want? Give me some team suggestion. Probably some fantasy. Then the chatbot will ask you, oh, we're diving into the fantasy. How long do you want it to be? So I just might want a short one because when make it really quick. So short. And then it asks for the main character. I want to have a knight. Maybe to be full, just like one word so can. I want it to be like kindness. I want to have a moral value for kindness. Maybe add some food like apple. Oh, you can also put typo and then it will like understand what you want to have. Pony and apple. See, it's just even though I do typo, but it still can understand what I want to say. So yes, please. I guess there is some error, but it's supposed to have like something like this, as you can see. It will do the story and evolution. Maybe we can just like run it again. Oh, but yeah, let's think about the main characters. So we're gonna go with the squirrel. We can just put like one word only. As you can see here, it print out the title, let's see, and the music occurrence, and then the story. Let's see, the squirrel loves solving mysteries. As you can see, the story has the evolution, the ability, so would you like to me to change it? Yes. Um, cookies. Let me find the cookies. Hidden garden. Oh, did you see my corns and cookies? And then say no. So you can see important being honest. So yes, not too sure. Much happily. So evolution, as you can see, it says include the character, hidden garden, cookies, and moral, more descriptive language. And then 9/10. Yes, I'm done. Story creation journey has been so successfully completed. Thank you for using Little Readerbot. It's all for my Kaggle Gen AI intensive. Thank you so much for Google and Kaggle for the opportunity. I had so much fun. I learned so many things. I hope I can make this as a website. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, guys.